The red and yellow blocks are used to locate the hinge router so that we can get the hinges in the right spot on the door. Those will be set up relative to the door stop. The butt router locates to the reference bar with these blocks, the red and yellow blocks. The blocks fit into a receiver right here in the reference bar so that we can locate repeatedly the location of the hinges. So next thing we're going to do is show you how to set up the hinge blocks so that they're in the correct locations. You take a standard door, we're going to lay it out for your standard hinge pattern. Put a line at the top of the hinge and 3.5 inches away at the bottom of the hinge. We'll take a square, transfer that line so it goes all the way across the edge of the door. We'll do this for all 3 hinge locations. So I'm going to start down here at this end with a red hinge block. Leave it loose on the bar. Position the door against the door stop and clamp it in. We'll bring the router down. We'll set the router on the hinge block and we'll slide it over until the reference lines on the reference bar line up with the pencil marks on the door. Now we know that the mortise is cut directly in line with the reference lines on the reference bar because we set that up earlier. And you hold the block down in the back, raise the router up, tighten the bolt. After you've done that, put the door back in, clamp it back in place, bring the router down, check it to see if it still lines up. So we're going to repeat the process for the other 2 locations on this hand door. Now that we've located all the red blocks on this side, we can turn our door end for end, put the head of the door against the other stop and use the same set of lines to set the yellow blocks.